The United States of America is a country primarily local in North America. It is a federation of 50 states, a federal capital discovery, and 326 Indian reserves.
America was opened by Christopher Columbus in 1922. He was going to open India, China, and Japan islands.
American cinema, television, jazz, rap serve as the foundation of world mass culture. Additionally, the first internet and mass automobile appeared in the USA and moreover became one of the leading economic leaders and military powers in the world, which largely determines the lifestyle of the rest of humanity.
American cuisine has multiple recipes from all over the globe, such as iconic dishes as sushi, burger, fries, jambalayas, pizzas, and others are from other countries, but America added some depth into them, making them more individual in each region.